Alright, so when you first walk in, to the left you have a refrigerator, and if you open it up, it's empty, but it's nice, it's cold. It's nice and cold. There's a coffee maker here where you can make coffee in the morning. It's not really like a closet. I mean, it is, you can hang up your stuff when you first walk in, but it doesn't have a door on it, so everything's just kind of exposed. Got an ironing board, everything there. They do laundry, so there's that service as well. I don't see any extra towels or anything like that, so that's a little bit worrisome. And then if you make a quick left over here, we've got a full-size mirror here for the bathroom that's attached to the door, and the bathroom's really clean. We've got nice countertop here, traditional sink. You've got your soaps here, which are made by Matrix. Wyndham Rewards. Well, what used to be Days Inn is now Days Hotel. So it used to be Days Inn, they've stepped it up. There's that. It's kind of cool. It's got like a mirror here and mirror here, and it kind of is like in the corner. Then you've got a hair dryer here, so it's always good if you need one. Tissues, standard toilet. This is cool. It's kind of like the logo, the hotel, the towels. Days Hotel, not Days Inn. I keep saying Days Inn because that's what I'm used to. You have your shower head and pretty clean shower, you know, clean tub, traditional standard stuff. And if we come back out here, then we go to the main living area. So now we're in the living area. They do have the little stand for your luggage. You come in, there's another mirror here to look at. Nice little flat screen TV, little, I want to say maybe 37, 40 inch. Nice king size bed. I mean, this bed looks really comfortable. Headboard is basic. Wow, that's a really soft mattress. So headboard looks kind of basic. I mean, like I said, it's a basic hotel with some decent amenities. Really cool lamp. Really like this lamp here. Again, Days Hotel in Toms River. Got your phone, got your bed sheets. Very nice. Over here you've got a desk where you can do some work if you need to. They don't have any internet hookups, but they do have free Wi-Fi, so that's always good. You've got your ice bucket, your AC system right there, which is controlled from the unit itself. But then they also have a unit on the wall that you can use as well. And then got a little loungy area over here. Little coffee table here. And then there's the wonderful view of the parking lot here in Toms River. And of course, you know, this is really a hotel that you stay in if you're kind of like me. We're going to Seaside for the 4th of July. So we're just here. We're just right outside of Seaside. It's not very far from Seaside Heights, New Jersey. And to me, the hotel is a good bargain. We got a really good deal on it. They do have the business center downstairs. They do have a pool. They do have a restaurant that also doubles as a bar / lounge. So there are some things to do here if you need to stay here for a night or two before heading down to Seaside. So there are those pretty cool amenities, which I'll show you guys. Once again, this is the Days Hotel in Toms River, New Jersey. So don't forget that the property is a Wyndham property. So if you have Wyndham rewards, you can always apply them to your stay here as well. If you guys have any questions about the hotel the amenities or anything like that, feel free to comment. Don't forget to like and please subscribe if this is your first time watching it. Thanks for watching, guys.